Have you ever heard a song or watched a movie that made you cry or gave you goosebumps? Sometimes the songs and stories we love the most tell us something important about who we are. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Relax your shoulders. Let the tension melt away. Close your eyes. Today, we'll think about the songs or movies that have stayed with you and explore what they might be saying about your values, dreams, or purpose. Let's begin. Imagine you're sitting in a calm and cozy room. In front of you is a screen where you can play any song or movie that has ever touched your heart. Think about a song or movie that made you feel something big. Maybe it gave you goosebumps, brought tears to your eyes, or stayed in your mind for days. Picture yourself listening to it or watching it now. What stands out the most about it? Is it the story, the words, the characters, or the way it made you feel? Now think about how it made you feel. Did it inspire you, comfort you, make you feel connected to something bigger? Finally, ask yourself why this song or movie mattered so much. What message or theme spoke to your heart? What does it say about what you care about? Stay in this moment for a while. Let yourself notice every detail. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Think about the song or movie you chose. Why do you think it stayed with you? What part of it connected to your feelings or your life? Feel proud of this connection. It's showing you something important about yourself and what matters to you. Now think about how this connection can guide you. What does it say about your passions, your values, or the kind of life you want to live? Say to yourself, I am learning from what moves me. I trust my feelings to guide me to what's important. Now think about one small way you can honor what you've uncovered today. Maybe you could listen to the song again, watch the movie, or take inspiration from its message. Write down 3 things: the song or movie that stood out to you, the feeling or message it gave you, one way you'll carry this feeling or message into your life. Use the free journal designed for this journey, or your own, to guide your thoughts and go deeper into what moves you. Every time you reflect, you'll discover even more. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Before you open your eyes, think about the connection you just made. This is a clue about who you are and what matters most to you. Say to yourself, I am open to discovering more about myself. I am enough. I am ready to follow what moves me. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Your journey matters, and I'm so happy you're here. This journey isn't just about listening, it's about transformation. Each meditation is unlocking more of who you really are. Every time you reflect, more will be revealed. So don't stop here. Keep going. Keep discovering. Keep becoming. You deserve to understand yourself fully. And the more you do this, the clearer everything will become. What's one thing you'll do today to take a step forward? You've already come this far. Trust yourself enough to keep going. Say to yourself, I am committed to my journey. Every step forward brings me closer to who I am meant to be. I trust that my true self already knows who I am. Take a moment to let these words settle in. Remember, knowledge is power, but the right knowledge is freedom, and acting on that knowledge is powerful. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share. What insight stood out to you the most? Let's keep this journey going together. Want to share your manifest story? If this journey has impacted you and you'd like to inspire others, send me an email. You can find my email address in the description box below. Make sure to like and subscribe too. Manifest and become, so that others can also discover who they are meant to be. Stay in this moment for a while. Allow yourself to think. This is your moment.